Guys, today I will show you the new model Toyota 2024 Sequoia TRD Pro Hybrid. This vehicle is perfect blend of power, technology and very comfort. Designed for those seeking a superior driving experience on any terrain. For this side we have 18-inch TRD Pro wheels. Coming for the back side we have Sequoia badge, camera, and watch this. Under the hood, the Sequoia TRD Pro is equipped with a 3.5L V6 twin-turbo engine. This car is coming with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and also it has with a 7-seater. And remember guys, this car is available only in Sahara Motors.